Every good boat guy or gal needs to have themselves a Marlin spike. This is a stainless steel model. It's a Magnum and it's made by Boker. This also has a knife on it and a belt clip, but when we're working with our lines or webbing loop straps, we need to sometimes take the knots out. In an emergency, I'm just going to cut these, but for right now, I'm going to replace these, and I will be working the joints on the knots. So there's 3 points I'm going to work on here, and I'll put the nub point on the Marlin spike into the openings and start to pull apart and to wedge and open the knot itself. Okay, so here we go. Starting to loosen up. Not all knots are the same. Some of them are a lot tighter. They take longer. It also can help to get the webbing wet. This is really good to work with your tow lines. And now I have freed up the webbing so it's loose. And then I'll start working on the second knot to remove it. And again, I'll just put it into these joints here, and I'll just start popping it and working an opening. And if you just take your time, you know, the point is sticking into the material. I mean, the only way you're going to stab yourself is if you're a complete idiot. So you find like an opening between the 2 points, and you just start wedging it, and just a little bit at a time, wedging, finding an opening, wedging. That's a good pull right there. I got that pull open, then I'll work this pull on the bottom and pull this way. So eventually I'll get this one opened. I can also wet it down like I said, which will make it more pliable. But definitely, if you don't have a Marlin spike, there might be something wrong with you in boating, so take a look at that. I've also resorted to old ice picks, but those are dangerous because they definitely have a pointy part on it, and they can actually start to destroy the material that you're working with because of the fine points, so it's like a needle. Anyway, I hope that helps a few of you get on board with the Marlin spike.